Ningbo Ridgeside Outdoors Company Limited is one of the few companies in the world that has both blow molding and thermoforming technologies. Our company owns large blow molding machines, thermoforming machines and molds, and production equipment for plastic accessories. The main products include blow molding stand-up paddleboard, thermoforming kayak, twin-sheet thermoforming stand-up paddleboard, and some molds and paddle sports accessories. Our company has a strong and professional design team who is able to complete the design and development of the molds, kayaks, and surfboards independently. It also frequently modifies and enhances the manufacturing process that the products require. It is worth to be mentioned that we have already developed a new rudder system with our own patent. As a high-quality OEM and ODM service manufacturer, our products have been exported to the United States, Canada, Australia, Russia, Denmark, Ukraine, and many other countries. Ridgeside has received extensive positive reviews from overseas buyers about the product quality as well as the services, and has established long-term partnerships with them. We are Ningbo Ridgeside Outdoors Company Limited.